Ah. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title of this video, my birthday is coming up this weekend, so I decided to celebrate another year on this earth by doing another Get Ready With Me video. I've done one every year since my 21st birthday, so these videos are actually really special to me. So let's jump straight into this video. So this year, my birthday glam is not going to be as extreme as other years have been. I think I've always worn a red lip, and I do plan on wearing another red lip this year. But as for my eye makeup and all that stuff, I'm basically just using liner and mascara. That's what I plan on doing at least. I'm gonna start off by doing my brows with the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Brow Palette that I always use. Best brow palette ever. Taking this dark brown powder shade. I'm gonna set them with some gel later on, but for now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. Taking my infamous ColourPop No Filter Concealer to conceal all over my lids. For this look, I just want my skin to be like one even tone. Even tone, natural look with a pop of color on my lips. And I just got this Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. I've never tried it before, so I'm actually gonna set this in place with this. Ooh, it smells good. It kind of smells like cucumbers. Look how well that blends out. Apply it like it's thick and cakey, but it blends out really seamlessly so it doesn't look too cakey. Now my eyelids are one flat solid color. I'm gonna take my Becca Hydra Mist setting powder and I'm gonna set my lids with this. I have a lot planned on my birthday. We're going to a sip and paint, a gun range, dinner, and we might go to the movies or dancing afterwards. My birthday is on a Saturday, so I just don't want my face to be like so cakey that I have to keep on touching up my eyeshadow and all of that stuff. So I'm just completely skipping the eyeshadow. This is basically it, but I'm still gonna line my upper lid and add some mascara. Now I'm gonna be taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm gonna give myself a wing. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye like this. So I'm gonna be using Touch in Soul's No Problem Facial Primer to prime my face. Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the color 9 Tan. Y'all should already know the drill. I use it so much that I'm really almost out. Now for some concealer. Same ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Okay, so now that I look like a ghost, it's time to bronze up and also set my face. So I'm going to start off by setting my face with that same Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. Now for bronzer, I'm trying out a new bay. I finally got my hands on the Pro Palette by Valeria Beauty and E.L.F Cosmetics. I'm gonna be using this bronzer right here to bronze up my face. Oh, I just scratched the palette. Now I'm gonna contour with my Rich Mahogany Black Radiance contour powder. It's really setting powder that I use as contour. I've been using it for years. Also on my nose. Believe it or not, I have not done a cream contour on my channel since one of my first makeup videos like 3 years ago. Now for blush, I got this new, I think it's pronounced Chiate London Marbled Blush in this month's BoxyCharm subscription. Oh, I always drop some shit. So as y'all know, I love a good blush, and this one is a pretty one. Not too shabby. This is a nice buildable blush. Then for highlighter, I might as well get my money's worth and go back into this Ofra palette and collab with Valeria Beauty. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, you guys. Like, I've been following her for a long time, and I'm so happy with how far she's come in the makeup industry. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, which is Rodeo Drive. Looks like a pretty champagne highlighter. You guys know how much I love a good champagne highlighter. It's not too chunky. It's like a nice, fine highlighter. Yes, look at that Cupid's bow. Oh. Down the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose like an elf. Ooh, I'm gonna add some highlighter to my brow bone and also the inner corners of my eyes. I just love highlighter in the inner corners of the eye. Now I'm gonna do my mascara with the Hank and Henry mascara. This one has a double end, one tiny end for your lower lash line and then a regular end for your upper lash line. Before I do my mascara though, I'm gonna set my face with that Tarte Stay Spray. Let me get my hair out of my face too, because if I don't hold my hair, it'll frizz. That actually feels so damn good. Let me add some more. I love it. I'm setting my brows with the E.L.F. brow gel. Right now they look a little dull. This is gonna bring them to life. Now for the mascara. I don't wear false lashes. I have the hardest time putting them on, so instead I just cake on my mascara until my heart is content. So I'm just gonna put on about 100 layers of this. Now I'm gonna line with the Steve Laurent lip liner. Now I'm done with my whole face. I absolutely love how this looks. Makeup itself is not natural, but this is kind of a natural everyday look. Now to vamp it up, I'm taking my Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Date Night. My birthday is on December 21st, right around Christmas, so I just love wearing red close to Christmas and my birthday. So here is the makeup from the lips to the face. I feel like I could definitely go out and enjoy my day without having to worry about the fake lashes and then the smoky eye and messing it all up like shit. I don't want to be worrying about touching up my makeup. So that is all that I got for the makeup part of this video. I'm going to skip into my outfit in the next scene. Now for my hair, I flat ironed it about 2 days ago. I really don't even know how I want to wear it. If I want to wear it out of my face or to the side like I usually do. No. With this look, I actually think I want to wear it out of my face. I'm gonna get some hairpins and come right back. So for my hair, I think I'm gonna try to pull it out of my face and give myself a tiny little bump, like bump it up right here. Back whenever I used to wear my hair straight, I used to bump it all the time. And when I went natural, there was no such thing as a bump. I mean, how am I supposed to bump all those curls up? Oh my gosh, Kim, you don't work out your arms? How do you keep your arms so toned? Doing my damn hair. Y'all, this looks fire. I'm gonna go change into my outfit and then end off this video. So this is all that I got for this birthday get ready with me. Thanks you guys so much for watching and for celebrating another year of life with me. Bye y'all.